Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are the news that you can trade this week. So on Monday the 30th of November, we have the OPEC meeting all day long. This is going to affect the oil prices and hence it will affect the Canadian dollar. So be careful if you are trading oil or Canadian dollar. Now on Tuesday the 1st of December at 3:30 a.m. London time, you have the Australian dollar's interest rate. The present interest rate is 0.1% and the previous one was also the same 0.1%. If they increase the interest rate to 0.25%, then you need to buy the Australian dollar. If they don't increase, leave it as it is, then do nothing. And also at the same time, you have a rate statement coming out from the Australia, the Reserve Bank of Australia, and you can hear the statement on the Bloomberg radio and act accordingly. In the statement, they're going to discuss about the inflation and other things and whether are they going to increase the interest rate in the future or not. And then we have at 3 p.m. on the same day on Tuesday from the USA, we have the Fed Chair Powell. He's testifying, and you can still hear that on Bloomberg radio what he's saying. And then also you have at the same time 3 p.m. you have the ISM manufacturing PMI is expected to come out at 57.7 as against 59.3 previous. So if it goes above 60, then you should buy the US dollar. If it goes below 55, then you should sell the US dollar. And then on Wednesday the 2nd of December at 12 noon, we have the Australian Reserve Bank of Australia's Governor Lou. He speaks again. Listen to the Bloomberg radio. And then at 12:30 a.m. London time, you have the GDP. It's a quarterly GDP. It must be volatile. Now they're expecting it to be much better than the previous one. They're expecting it to be 2.4% as against minus 7% previous. So that's a good news for the Australian dollar. And if it comes out, say about 3% or more, then you buy the Australian dollar. And if it comes out any minus figure, then you should sell the Australian dollar. And then at 3 p.m. the Fed Chairman Powell, he is going to testify again at 3 p.m. London time. So listen to the Bloomberg radio, what they're saying. And then on Friday the 4th of December, we have the Canadian employment change. So the previous one was 83.6K. And but the important figure which is going to come out and all the traders are going to look at will be the US non-farm employment change. This is the NFP. Okay, so this is where people will be trading and they will not care about what comes out from Canada. So it's going to be 500K new jobs as against 630K previous. So if it comes out more than 638K, then US dollar going to get very strong and you need to buy the US dollar. If it comes out less than 500K, then you need to sell the US dollar. And at the same time, look at the employment figure, unemployment rate. The unemployment is expected to have fallen down than previous. The previous one was 6.9% and is expecting a 6.8%. If it comes to less than 6.5% unemployment, then you need to buy the US dollar. And if it raises to more than 7%, then you need to sell the US dollar. Other than that, we don't have any other news. So have a nice weekend, and wish you all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.